Hello everyone. Today we are going to play a fun game where we guess the names of different animals. I will show you pictures and you figure out the animal's name. It's going to be a fun and exciting time for all of us. Let's begin. Thank you all for playing along with our animal guessing game. I hope you had as much fun as we did. We hope you learned something new and enjoyed the interactive experience. We want to remind you that animal conversation is important and we should all do our part in preserving them. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you again soon.